fault tolerance or the disaster recovery. Let's talk in a single line, then we will explain it. Fault tolerance is the ability to remain up and running even in the event of a component no longer functioning. Suppose if you are running uh, a load balancer, okay, that is your LV, and it is having two vacant server, okay. So what happens sometimes, your service is running on this particular node and something happened with this one and it got down. So what it will do, it will add one more resources, or it will move the services which is running on this particular node to this one. So you will have the, we can say, the small uh, failure or small scale level failure. Means it is not fully down, your system is not fully down, just some component of your system got down. Because of that, your load balancer move the services from one unhealthy resource to the healthy resource. So this is known as a fault tolerance, okay. In this way we can say our system is fault tolerant. What is disaster recovery? See, disaster recovery is the ability to deal with the failure at a larger scale. That means, if you, in case, for an example, there is natural disaster come to any region, any location it comes. So what will happen? It can impact your whole data center. That means whole availability zone as well as whole region also can be impacted. What are those natural disasters like floods or earthquake? We can have the example of that one. In that case, what happened? So disaster recovery plan, which is also known as business continuity and disaster recovery. See, if we have the organization that is big and we are providing services to many clients, we can't offer that our server, our application or the services go down. In that case, there might be a disruption. In this case, what we will have the backup site ready with that one. If suppose we have region 1 and region 2, if something happened with this one, natural disaster came on this particular region and all the services go down, so it is having the backup site ready. Just it will replicate or transfer the role to the another region. This is what we do in disaster recovery. So I hope it is fine with you.